I bet you didn't know that Bangalore is home to one of the most innovative software companies. Welcome to ABFirst, the crown jewel of software development in Bangalore. We're not just another tech company, we're the place where your career dreams take flight. With a perfect blend of work-life balance and equal growth opportunities, ABFirst is where every employee thrives. Imagine working in an environment that nurtures your skills and values your contributions. Sounds perfect, right? At ABFirst, we specialize in a range of IT solutions, from staffing and RPO to cutting-edge outsourced product development. Our expertise spans across technologies like .NET, Java, Python, QA automation, Azure, AWS, Angular, DPA, Cloud, AI, ML, and advanced analytics. So, if you're passionate about technology and eager to make a difference, come join us at ABFirst. Let's build the future together. Your next career milestone awaits. Subscribe to learn more about opportunities at ABFirst. #career goals, #tech jobs, #ABFirst.